Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Leo. I'm Julia Mikas.
And I'm Jamie Kell Miller. Hey, Leo. Well, in the realm of career, last month we mentioned that you have this career luck year. It's Jupiter based. It's about Jupiter traveling along through your 10th house of career and bringing luck and opportunities, as he has been doing this year. But it's drawing to a close and will be over by May and will end somewhere during April. So there are some final last bursts of luck and opportunity that are headed your way, and now is the time to harvest them before they're gone. So here are some dates when lucky events or meetings or conversations might happen that could smooth your path forward in career. On March 1st, Mercury and the Sun are going to be helping. Mercury and the Sun are going to be moving into position in Pisces, connecting with that Jupiter and that Saturn, bringing conversations and articulation and like the ability to use your voice and to be very clear about what you're thinking about it. And the Sun, just adds a little burst of charisma to that. And then there's a full moon in your 8th house on March 9th and 10th. And that is going to also bring like a quality of new beginnings to the whole endeavor. And then Venus is going to start helping later on in the month, March 20th to 24th, when she comes into a conjunction with Saturn and is also sextiling Jupiter. So really lots of opportunities to move things forward in the career realm during this finish of your lovely Jupiter transit there, bringing all that career luck. Hey, Julia, what's up with money and relationships for all of the Leos out there?
Well, when it comes to finance, Leo, we have so many planets in your 8th house. This house rules loans, credit, and debt. Also, your shared finances with other people. So I think that's going to really, really take your attention this month. This house also rules taxes too, by the way, and it is tax season after all. So you might be like, scrambling to get all your ducks in a row there. Now, one of the things you can ask yourself is whether you're usually asleep to 8th house matters, those financial matters in your life, and how you can wake yourself up. Now, there's going to be this fabulous Pisces new moon on sort of March 9th and 10th, and that may very well do the trick for you, because a new moon, especially in this placement, can offer a really fresh financial start for you. And it can be a really good reward if you've been practicing some good debt reduction behavior in your life. So that Pisces moon might give you a little kick in the booty to, get your finances in order. Now, when it comes to relationships, on March 25th, we do have that lunar eclipse happening in the 3rd house. So lunar eclipses, they're going to affect our relationships, and this particular one is trine Pluto. Pluto is about intimacy. Pluto is about vulnerability and truth. So it's quite possible you might be having an emotional outburst around then by the end of the month. And it's also possible that that outburst might lead you to speak some deep truth. That type of truth that doesn't need any type of sugarcoating. So, is this a time for keeping your mouth shut or just letting it all out? I think you should let it all out, because that trine to Pluto, I think, can really help encourage greater intimacy in your life if you do. Well, that's all for today. If you had fun with this horoscope, then please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.